Hello everyone, I am Emma Alam, World Memory Champion, World Speed Reading Champion, World Mind Mapping Champion in the junior category, as well as holder of 2 Guinness World Records. I have a very important update to share with all of you, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, as some of you might have already noticed, my YouTube account recently got deactivated due to a technical issue. And I know that it's frustrating, especially for those of you who have been following my memory, speed reading, learning techniques, tips, and tricks. But don't worry, I got you covered. I have created a brand new YouTube channel where I will continue to share my memory mastery secrets, my tips on studying better, improving learning and productivity, as well as all the amazing content that you've come here to enjoy. And I need your help to rebuild our amazing community. Please head over to my new YouTube channel, which is at World Champion Emma Alam. I have given the link in the description below as well as in the link in bio. And so when you go there, please subscribe to it. And while you're at it, you can also turn on the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. You can expect more memory, speed reading, learning, and brain development tips, tricks, and techniques, as well as some other exciting content, because from now I'll be posting every single day. And so you'll have access to a lot more learning videos on a daily basis. I want to thank you all so much for your support and understanding during this time, and together we can rebuild our community even stronger and grow towards better learning. That's it for this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button on my new YouTube channel, and I'll see you all over there for some daily learning tips so that we can improve our learning capacity and become a better learner overall. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.